One, two, three.
Hey guys, it's me again. So today I am just gonna show you all of the products that I will be using today. I will be using my NYX little small palette. Let me show you the colors that it has, because honestly I've been wanting this kind of palette for the longest, and this palette right here has the greatest color. And this one is the 3503 what is it called? Fierce by Nature by Morphe. So let's go ahead and start. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to start off with a yellow color, since today I am going...
Slight complications. It was supposed to be a yellow theme, but this is what happened instead.
Going off a yellow vibe. I'm going to start making videos where I just wear shirts and then kind of go with that theme, if that makes sense. Okay, so let me go ahead and just start off with my NYX palette, and I'm gonna just put it in, pack it in with this little brush that I have from Morphe. Also, it is the M173 from Morphe. We're gonna start here, and you're just gonna pack it in. Next is you want to grab your Pro Concealer or any concealer that you have, and we're just going to do a little cut right here, and that's pretty much it. I'll show you how it looks. Concealer brush, it is a flat brush. So now we're gonna grab our Fierce by Nature palette. We are gonna grab this pink and this pink right here, and I will show you exactly where to place it. So we're gonna use a small little brush like this, and I am gonna go ahead and just put in the pink. So we're gonna use this one and this one. So let me go ahead and grab this pink shade right here. Let me show you how it looks on the eye. So we're gonna put this peach color on top. I'm gonna grab another blending brush from Morphe. It is the M573. I can't really see it, but it is the M573. So we're gonna grab this peach color right here. I am going to grab my gold color right here, and I'm just gonna do it with my pinky, and we are just gonna pack that on. Okay, so now you have that, and we are just going to go in with our any eyeliner that you have. Shake it up, shake it up. going to put this dark pink, this one right here, and we're just going to shade it under. Okay, so once you get that big dark color, we're gonna just go to the other side and finish that up. So I am just gonna go ahead and just do everything off camera for the other eye, and then I will come back for my eyebrows, and here we go. Okay guys, so I just put on some foundation, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just set it with my Airspun powder. So I love this powder. It honestly really catches all my oils because I have very oily skin. And let me just put it on. So I'm gonna bake my face for a bit, and I'm gonna put it under where it really needs to bake. Okay, okay. You're gonna put in your T-zone. And I'm back. What I wanted to show you is this Estee Lauder little palette that I got for Christmas, and I'm going to be using this bronzer shade that it has. Okay, so we're going to use this brown shade with my bronzer brush, and I am just going to do it on the ends, as you can tell. Right here on the ends of my face.
Okay, nothing really important here. It's just me showing you how and where to place all of the bronzer. And that's pretty much it. I'm just kind of like spreading it everywhere, making sure that I get my temples, my cheeks, and the downer area of my cheek. And that's pretty much it.
Okay, so once you got your satisfied bronzing look, you can go ahead and stop. I'm gonna go ahead and just take off the excess powder that I've put on from earlier. So we're just gonna take that off really quickly. Okay, so once we're done with that, we can go ahead and start on our eyebrows, and I will go ahead and just show you how I do my eyebrows. It's a very simple tutorial, and you will find it easy too. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this L'Oreal kind of like a gel and a powder little palette. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna dip our angled brush into the gel portion, and then we're just gonna go ahead and start lining our eyebrows. And we can go ahead with the powder and just tap it very lightly because this powder is very pigmented. Okay, so then as you can see, this eyebrow and this eyebrow is a very big difference. This one looks more sculpted and nice, and this one's more just like the kind of transparent in a way. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this other eyebrow, and you will see the big difference. As you can tell, this already looks great, and you will go ahead and see that. Okay, give me 1 minute, and I'm back. So let me show you, honey boo, how my eyebrows look. Ooh, 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 gorgeous. I honestly love my eyebrows right now. They look so cute, and it is honestly the simplest 2 little palette right here. It is awesome. I love it. This right here, I can use it all day. So now what I want to do is I want to add just a nude lip with my whole creation. And also a little bit of blush because I feel like it would just make it look nicer. Alrighty, so we have our tiny little Kylie lip lock.
What is this? Liquid lipstick. There we go.
There we go. Okay, so we're gonna use our liquid lipstick in the color Candy K. Very tiny, so I can't really show you, but I'll tell you what the color name is. It is the Candy K, and let's get started. Okay, so I am done and I have just finished putting on my lip and it just looks so gorgeous. It looks great. I love it. I really do love it. So let me go ahead and just show you which blush I use, and it is this one right here. It is True Match Minerals, and I got this for Christmas also. So let me just show you how it looks on the skin. I like to put a lot of pink. So here we go. And okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to look on the description box to see most of the products that I put on there will be either this or you'll see it down there. But thank you so much for looking at my video. I just adore you. Okay, and if you want to follow my Instagram, you can go ahead and follow that. And I also sorry. I also have other stuff on there like fashion, food, and just my lifestyle. So there we go. So if you want to check that out, feel welcome to. Thank you so much for watching again and again.